Hey guys, Scott with Waxedshine. So it's really important taking care of the interior of your vehicle. That's why Waxedshine's created this interior package right here. It incorporates an all-purpose cleaner plus degreaser. We have a glass cleaner. We have a Dress All, which is for interior dressing of plastics and vinyls. And we also have the leather Nourish, which works both on perforated, full grain, and all tanning strengths of leather. Okay, let's start with APC+D. Now this is an abbreviation for all-purpose cleaner plus degreaser. So if you have a spot stain, if you have, permanent marker stains, or you just need to generally clean up the interior of your vehicle, this works really well from engine bay degreasing all the way to seats, to interiors, to Alcantara, to silk, and it won't affect it. Now we offer this in many different sizes. So this is a 16-ounce ready to use. We have a 16-ounce concentrate. We have a 1 gallon concentrate for the commercial application. Let's move on to the second step in the Waxedshine interior collection. It's Waxedshine Glass. Now Waxedshine Glass comes in a 16-ounce ready to use, as well as a 1 gallon concentrate for the commercial application shop. Waxedshine Glass is an ammonia-free, it's safe on tint, you can spray on the inside and outside. It also leaves a streak-free finish. So as you're spraying and wiping, it actually dissipates and it's really, really easy to use. Moving on to the next steps here in the Waxedshine interior collection, we have Waxedshine Dress All. Now this is a concentrate formula and it is actually scent-free. Some people don't like smells within the car, so we developed this. Now it is a multi-use product. You can use it on the interior as well as the exterior. When it comes to the exterior, all the rubber trims, the plastics, it has that built-in UV protection and it soaks in, leaving a beautiful natural finish. On the interior of the vehicle, you can use it on the dash, the plastics, all the little trim areas, and it is extremely easy to use. Okay guys, moving on to the final product of the Waxedshine interior collection, we have Waxedshine Leather Nourish. Now Leather Nourish is almost like using a moisturizer for your skin. If you look at all different types of leather, you've got different tannin strengths, you have perforated leather, you have full grain leather. This is a cosmetic grade ingredient formula with natural oils that soak in there to make sure that it's conditioned, it's supple, it's soft, and the color is as rich as possible as if it was brand new.